The tension roller is the front roller on your belt sander. It consists of the roller with 2 bushings pressed into it. Over time the bushings will wear down and there will be some play between the roller and the shaft. This will make the sanding belt difficult to keep tracked. The roller can be damaged if the sander is dropped. Replacing the tension roller is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the belt from the belt sander. Now I can remove the belt cover. Now I can remove the belt. I'll rotate the belt, and as I do, I'll lift it away from the motor pulley. Next, I'll remove the belt guard. Now I'll remove the front roller and bracket assembly. Now I'll remove the roller and roller shaft. It's secured with the retaining ring. I use some retaining ring pliers to remove it. With the retaining ring removed, I'll remove the shaft and the roller. Now I can install the new roller. There are a couple of dust caps on the old roller that I'll transfer over. I'll place the roller inside the bracket and slide the shaft through. You'll notice one end of the shaft is notched, and that needs to go through so it aligns with the D shape on the bracket. Once the shaft is in place, I'll secure it with the retaining ring. Now reassemble the roller and bracket assembly back into the belt sander. Now reinstall the dust deflector and the belt guard. I'll place the belt around the lower pulley first, and then again I'll rotate the belt around as I work it on to the motor pulley. Next, I'll reinstall the belt cover. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the sanding belt. And now you can replace the tension roller on your belt sander. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.